Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any new content. Consider supporting our work directly on Patreon to get early access to all new encounters. And as always, enjoy the video. On July 7, 2022, patrol officers with the Houston Police Department observed a vehicle driving without its headlights on and failing to stop at multiple stop signs. The vehicle took off but stopped after a short chase, and a felony traffic stop was initiated.
4000 Dreyfus Street.
That's 4,000 Dreyfus, 4,000 Dreyfus.
All right, check this out. Turn the vehicle off. Turn off the vehicle. Turn it off. Disconnect the keys from the ignition and put it and throw it through the window. Do it, Felon, stop. Throw the keys on the floor. Throw the keys on the floor. Throw the keys on the floor. Let me see it.
I ain't got them.
You don't have no keys?
Hey.
All right, man. Check this out. Slowly, with the hands outside, first, get out the vehicle.
2432, I'll be arriving with him.
I want to see hands first. I want to see your hands first. I hold you at gunpoint. Be advised. So let me see your hands first. Do it slowly. All right, my man. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. What was that?
Is it air clear? Negative. Ordering him out of the car.
He's not getting out of the vehicle. Hey, let me see your hands. Get out of the car. Slowly. Let me see your hands. Hey, don't do nothing dumb. Both hands outside. Both hands outside, dude. Don't do nothing dumb, dude. And let me see your hands first. Hey, let me see your hands, dude. Don't do nothing dumb. Yo, get your hands out the car. Show me your hands. Hey, get the shield, man. Get the shield. Get back. Get the shield. Get the shield. Get back. I don't have nothing on the back. Do you have one? Hey, let me see your hands. Yo, let me see your hands. Hey, be careful, Treño.
Got you.
Let me see your hands, dude. Yo. Sir. Don't do nothing dumb. So let me see your hands.
Good, I got it.
You got it?
I got it.
All right, man. Hey, slowly show me your hands and get out of the car, man. Hey, you need to comply. Sir, you need to comply. Sir, this is a lawful order. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
Is the air clear?
Let me see your hands. Hey, he's refusing to get out of the car. Show the hand. Put. Hey, what's that?
Still at gunpoint. Subject refusing to get out.
Hey, we can see both hands.
We don't know how many is in the vehicle. We don't know how many people in the vehicle.
He's got
We don't know how many people in the vehicle.
Keep your hands out the car.
Get your hands out of the car.
I ain't got them.
Get your hands. Okay, go ahead, brother. Give him back commands.
Step out of the car with both hands up.
2403, are you in wrong?
Step out of the car, bro.
That's your middle.
Keep your hands where I can see it. Keep your fucking hands where I can see it.
Suspects refuse to show his hands. He's just Hey, stop reaching! Stop reaching! Hey, you got it. Hey, sir. Sir. Dude, the dog is around, man. If you don't get out, we're gonna have to send the dog. We don't wanna do that. Come on, step out. All the way out. I can see your leg, but I cannot see your hands.
Use the car to stand up if you need to.
Yes, use the car to stand up if you need to. Come on. Sir, we want to send the dog if you don't get out. Come on. That's perfect. Help yourself to get out. Help yourself to get out and get on the ground.
Let's get on the ground.
All right.
You got the shield. Nobody move.
Nobody move. All right, that's perfect. Is there any way you can drag yourself to us?
Can you crawl this way?
Can you crawl? That's perfect. Just don't reach anything else. Put two hands on the concrete. And not on the concrete, and try to work you out. You want to approach, sir? Or you want to wait for Kana?
Hey, y'all take him. We'll clear.
Just hold your position right now.
Spread his arms across.
Okay.
Don't put him above his head.
No. Right. We can see inside the car though. It's not safe. Hey, sir, can you try to crawl to our eyes, please? That's perfect. Yeah, just work your way over here. Come on. Use your hands and your knees to crawl towards us. There you go. Perfect. No, don't go inside. Oh, hey. I'm sorry, you want to get him? Sir, he's rich. Okay, he's.
You're good.
All right.
We got enough guns out here. We got enough people out here. You guys are good.
All right. Yeah, you just. Yeah, go for it, brother.
Arms lined up.
Yeah, things can be heavy, man. Use the vehicle if you.
Use the door.
It's too close, man.
Too close.
You want to come over here with South on the
Okay,
hood?
once K9 arrives,
I don't have a good angle from there. I tried already. Let's stay back. That's fine. As long as we stay back, he don't know where to go.
I'm driving.
Yeah, he don't know where to go. So as long as we stay back, it's good. We just wait for Kana. Worst case scenario, we said Kana, I guess. Hey, sir, you want to give it another try? Let's try it again. Come on. Just use your body, anything you have to get out of the car to help yourself. There you go. All right.
Alright, Jake, sir, on units on that Felon traffic stop on Drive-Fit, switch over to Southeast Tax Point. On units on Drive-Fit, switch over to Southeast Tax Point. You got K320.
All right. Hey, sir, give it another try. Come on.
Air is open at 2330.
13-24, show me the on scene.
1324, that's the permit on scene for the
Suspect got
shooting.
back in the vehicle. Not
2330.
That's Kana?
Yeah. He had dark tint windows in the back. Very dark. Said there was nobody else in the vehicle. I'm not sure.
Hey, sir.
Yes.
Okay, good deal.
Hey, sir.
Wait. South's coming. What'd you say, South?
No.
He's going to try to take off. Oh, there's no way to go. Is there another way over there?
I got you.
I can see crap, and it's everyone's try to find cover. If you can see him,
Yeah, I'm gonna close the door.
that's
No,
fine.
don't.
Yeah, that's fine. Whatever you need to do.
You stay behind here.
Yeah, Sir, open the door. Sir, open the door. It's gonna take somebody else to get him out, man. Sir, open the door. Open the door, sir. There you go, open the door. Wide open. Let it go. Now, help yourself to get out of the car. Help yourself to get out of the car. No.
Get out of the car.
Just leave it open. Leave it open. Sir, just get out. Try to meet us halfway so we can help you out. Come on. Open the door, sir. Open the door. Sir, open the door. Let it go, let it go. Oh, let it go. Open it. Wide open.
Push it open.
What do you got, son?
Open that door. Wide enough. Curtis, you're gonna lead. You're gonna be behind him. He's gonna be right behind you guys.
Okay. Hey, open the door, brother.
Where do you want me to go?
Okay, open the door.
Curtis, you go first.
Open the door. Wide open. Slow. Hold. Sir, open the door. Open the door, sir.
Back up.
Sir, open the door. You got light? Turn this thing up. I want to see something. Shut the shotgun. I want to see something. Okay, it's ready. Sir, open the door. Sir, open the door. Wide open. Let it go. Wide open.
Now come on out.
Wide open. Open it. Let it go. Wide open. The dog is helping, man. Yeah. Sir, open the door. Once you get it wide open, let's push. Let's start pushing. Sir, open the door. Sir, we're trying to help you out. Open the door. Open it. Open it, yeah. Oh, fuck, you got the dog. Okay, go. Let's get out. Push your head.
Get the dog.
Come on now. I have to keep it open, sir.
Come out now. Come out now. Come out.
Go hands. Let's go. Go hands.
Turn around. Get in. Go ahead. Get close on him. Get close on him.
That's your dog.
Close. Close.
You got him?
Close.
I got it. That looks pretty bad, dude. Go.
Take that pressure up off my. Hey, what's your name, bro?
Man, take the pressure up.
All right. What's your name?
Man.
That is what's helping you not to bleed out right now, brother. So,
Where's the safety?
you got it? Awesome. Yeah, it looks like him.
Keep your hands still for me. Real still, almost there.
Y'all would hear quick, man.
Get your vitals, bud.
Let me.
Hey, can he walk? We haven't tried to pick him up. He couldn't get out of the car.
H Hotel.
Can you walk?
Yes. Take that down.
You want me to walk him?
Possible cardiac arrest. Minute 62. Engine 15. Ambulance supervisor 30. Pager 7.
I'm gonna hold on to you. You gotta go to the ambulance. They gotta check you out, man. You're all messed up.
Uniform.
That dog. Gotta check you out, man. You're all messed up.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more, head over to our Patreon and become a member for exclusive content, or check out the suggested videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next Raw Police Encounter.